Unity is the principle of art concerned with how elements and principles are used together to unify the artwork and make it seem that all the pieces belong in that artwork. Artists often want their artwork to have a feeling of wholeness or harmony. This can be achieved in many ways, including through the use of color, texture, and the repetition of shapes or forms. Here is a real-world example of unity. An aquarium might hold a number of fish that vary in color and texture, form and size. However, what unifies them is the fact that all the creatures in the aquarium are fish. The sameness in being fish creates the unity amongst all the diversity of the different types of fish in the aquarium. Here are some very simple examples of ways to create unity in artwork. You can use line to unite different parts of a design. Repeated use of the same two shapes along with the same sizes helps to unify the varying colors of the shapes in this design. The use of monochromatic colors, shades and tints of one color, will always work to create unity in a composition. Analogous colors, colors that are side by side on the color wheel, also have a unifying influence. And like we just saw in a previous example, repeated shapes will create unity in an artwork. Now let's look at some more general methods for creating unity in your artwork. Repetition of a motif, object, color, texture, line, etc. will most always serve to create unity in your artwork. However, artists are always aware that too much repetition of a single unit can become visually boring or uninteresting. To counteract this, the artist might repeat a shape, but give each repetition a slightly different color or size, yet still maintain the unity. You can see this in the example here, where we see the same shapes repeated, but with slight variations in color and size. One of the most simple ways to create unity is through the use of color. One way to use color for unity is through monochromatic painting. Using shades and tints of one color will ensure unity in virtually any piece of artwork. Texture is also an excellent tool for successful unity in a design. In this example, we see the painter has used similar brush strokes on all parts of the work and has brought unity to the artwork through the texture of those brush strokes. In this example, the sculptor has used a very non-realistic texture in a repetitive way, which has helped the artist create visual interest but not lose the unity of the sculpture in the process. Artists must remember that unity can cause a viewer to lose interest if there is too much sameness in the design. To avoid this, artists will make variations to the artwork and its unity in order to add visual interest. This example shows where a painter who used the exact same design and brush strokes throughout the artwork chose to change up the colors to provide some visual interest, but still maintain the visual unity with the repetition of the design and the brush strokes. What did the artist do in this picture to create unity? The artist was able to create unity with the repetition of objects in the repeated use of umbrellas and beach towels, and also the repetition of shapes in the circular shapes of the umbrellas and the rectangular shapes of the towels. The artist also used the repetition of color, mostly in the blues and yellows of the umbrellas. What does the artist do in this picture to create unity? The artist created unity in this artwork through the repetition of objects, the bears and the fish, and the splashes of water. We also see the same type of brushstrokes used throughout the painting. And we also see repetition of the same colors, the reddish brown of the bears and the fish, along with the blue and white of the water. What do you see the artist doing in this sculpture to create the sense of unity? The artist uses the same kind of art material or media throughout the design. The artist also uses the same color throughout. And finally, the artist uses the repetition of the vertical line direction. Do you see any other example of unity in this artwork?